Hello everyone, we have another Sketchbox to open today. There's this beautiful art on the front here. I'm gonna go right in just because I can't wait to see what is inside. Let's get my box to the side. Ooh, there's a big bottle of something. Where are my menus? Oh, these are cool. I mean, just from first glance, they just look really sleek. So, oh, there's the menu. Here is some artwork. This is by Nicole Shaver. Cool. Set that there. Oh, cute sticker. I always love this sticker. There it is. And what do we have here? The menu. Let me see if I can, just about there. And then you can pause and take a look if you want to see it closer. Or in more detail, rather. Alright, what? This says high viscosity material. Fluid graphite. Interesting. Water-based pigment. So it's a Kuretake, it's a Kuretake graphite paste. Paste doesn't sound as fluid as I would think, but it says it has a metallic shine and a matte texture of traditional graphite in liquid form. Tried diluting this medium to create a value range. Well, that sounds interesting. Can't get it open. Let me set that down for a minute. And we have a paintbrush. This is a Princeton Velvetouch Chisel blender. Unit number 4. I'm not familiar with a chisel blender. What does it say here? It's a mixed media brush. That's great. I like mixed media. For blending values and rendering forms. So this is awesome because I haven't used one of these. Let's see if we can get a little come on focus there. And you can see that tip. Pull this off. Yeah, it's nice. Feels nice too. Princeton Velvetouch is a nice brush. Ooh, a Copic Multiliner with pigment ink and black. This is in a 1.0. That's big. Is this going to focus for me? There we go. That's a big tip. I've used this multiliner before, this brand, and liked it. I've never had one that big. Then we have, there we go, Koh-i-noor Hardmouth Gioconda white chalk. Great for drawing, sketching, and adding highlights to any work of art. Looks like we've got some Holbein acrylic gouache. So that's acrylic gouache. Which I have some Liquitex acrylic gouache, I believe. And I've wanted to get into it more, but I haven't really done anything with it. And finally, these things that I thought were so cool. Emmett fine liner markers. Oh, they're by the Uni brand. Light green, emerald green, and sea fog. Does that say that on there anywhere? I don't see. Maybe this is the, like, pigment information, but yeah, I don't see the names on here, but I think it's pretty easy to figure out. This one must be emerald green, and this one must be light green. And what color? This is deep green. Fast drying, opaque. Okay. Then we have the Hahnemühle and Sketchbox collaboration. Looks like watercolor pad. It's hot pressed. This is awesome. I've liked this Hahnemühle brand, so this will be great to use. I think I have some cold pressed in a little Hahnemühle watercolor sketchbook. So I'm just going to pull a piece off and dig right in to the gouache. You know what I do need? Let me grab. Now that we have a nice place to put the gouache, just put a tiny bit there. That's a pretty color. And we're going to try it straight on. Make that up a little so it's not stealing my light. It's a deep color. Okay. And ooh, I don't want this, since it's acrylic gouache, I don't want it to stay on the brush, that's for sure. off very easily. Okay, setting that on the wet wipe. And then I have a water brush that I had handy that I can dilute this with. Ooh, it's pretty how the color travels. Now, let me see if I can get this. Aha! It just takes brute force, huh? I couldn't open it up delicately, but I could rip it off. Ooh, wow! Let's see if this will focus. Ooh, yeah. Look at that. Some interesting stuff there. It's very light, too, the packaging. And so I'm not gonna... I love the shape of this bottle, too. It looks like a vintage inkwell. Let me see. Metallic shine matte and liquid form. Try diluting it. Okay, so let's try it straight on. It's nice. And I'm not really sure how I should use this brush. I don't know if you can hear my phone buzzing. Of course someone wants to call right now because I'm not available. It's great timing. I'll leave that in the water and then try to dilute it some more with the water brush. Pick up some there. Definitely going to need to do some more playing with this medium before I know what to do with it. And the Copic Multiliner, let's get that down on here. I'm just going to call it, well, yeah, let's write Multiliner. One. It's a nice thick line. It'd be hard to get a real thin line though. But maybe it'd be easier if I outline something, because, you know. Ooh, let me put this lid on. Okay, let's have a look at these. Uni Emmet. Ooh, they are very fine. Did it say what? No. Didn't say what. Maybe that's 0.5? Is that what that is? No, that could be color number. I don't know. I'm going to call this one the light green because I think it is. Non-bleed and fade proof. Does that mean they're permanent? Ooh, this is this emerald? It's turquoise. What are you talking about? It's gotta be, I'm guessing it's the emerald one, but it looks turquoise to me. How does it show on camera? I can't tell. It's so tiny. Maybe I should hold this up. So when I go fast, it doesn't have a very solid line, but that's because it's tiny, right? So I have to remember to take my time with it. Did this get cleaned enough? I want to see if it moves. Yeah, it moves before it's dry. Is this one dry? Now wait, it just said non-bleed and fade proof. That doesn't mean permanent. And this one I'm guessing is Sea Fog. Oh, that's a pretty color. Kind of a purpley gray. Like a gray lilac. That's a really beautiful color. In fact, it just makes me want to draw little clouds. Happy clouds. Sound like Bob Ross there. Okay, let me bring this up closer so you can kind of, everything's still wet, but you can see those colors a little closer maybe. And then we have the chalk guy. What should I, okay, this, not dry yet. Darn. Let me try it on here. Oh, not much happening there. Oops. Broke the tip already, huh? I don't know what to do with this thing. What is this again? It's a charcoal pencil. Right now I'm losing it. Huh. That's just not dry yet, but yeah, I do not know. Really kind of stumped with the charcoal pencil, but then I've never really used charcoal, so why would I know what to do with it? Before this dries, I think I'm going to play with it at the bottom. Yeah, and then I'll try to do something with this and pop it on at the end and see what happens, huh? Thanks for watching. Bye.